Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Lose one's train of thought. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever been talking to someone and suddenly forgot what you were saying? It's like your train of thought has derailed. Lose one's train of thought means to forget what you were saying or thinking about. It's a common idiom that doesn't have anything to do with trains or tracks. To remember the meaning, think of your thoughts as a train that can get off track or derailed. I was telling a story, but then I lost my train of thought. I couldn't remember what happened next. And everyone was confused. It was embarrassing. 1. Losing your train of thought can happen to anyone. 2. It's a common idiom in English. 3. It means to forget what you were saying or thinking about. 4. You can use it in everyday conversations. 5. Remember the memory aid, your thoughts are like a train that can get derailed. Example, I was telling a story, but I lost my train of thought. I forgot what I was saying and couldn't continue the story. Sentence, I lost my train of thought. Rephrased, I forgot what I was saying. Rephrased, I couldn't recall what I was talking about. I once lost my train of thought during a job interview, and it cost me the job. It's important to understand and use idioms, especially in professional settings. Similar expressions, mind goes blank, draw a blank. Opposite expressions, stay on track, keep your head. Related idioms, off the top of my head, in the same boat. Related idiom, off the rails. Story, I was so nervous during my presentation that my thoughts went off the rails. And I forgot everything I wanted to say. Quiz, what does lose one's train of thought mean? A. To forget what you were saying or thinking about. B. To take a train ride. C. To derail a train. Answer A. The idiom means to forget what you were saying or thinking about. To sum up, lose one's train of thought means to forget what you were saying or thinking about. Remember the memory aid, your thoughts are like a train that can get derailed. Use it in everyday conversations. And don't be afraid to ask for clarification on idioms you don't understand.